So phoneme categorization. So the word itself in a way suggests you are doing some sort of categorization. Recognizing the word in a set of 3 or 4 words that has the odd sound. Okay, that has the odd sound. For example, which word doesn't belong to the group? Okay, so this is the group of words. Pot, pin, egg, pay.
Egg.
Egg.
Okay, what made you say that?
Because it's
Because
different
only in egg there is
sounds for
no
different.
first sound.
Yes. So what we can hear is we hear pot, pin, egg, pay. So except egg, all the other 3 words starts with the same sound, right? So that is why egg doesn't belong to this group. Okay. So this is categorization. We categorize. Okay. These together belong to the same group. These belong to a different group. So this is one group. Okay. Now, can any one of you suggest another group of maybe 3 or 4 words? And whoever wants to do that, you have to unmute yourself, and rest of you please keep muted. Okay. And when you answer, then only you turn on your speaker. Okay. So who's going to ask? Just say a group of 3 or 4 words. Like we have this one here, right? Pot, pin, egg, pay, another word. And let us guess. Yes, who's going to volunteer?
Then, shall I?
Yeah, please. Is it Yankee?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I will use, ma'am. I have to use 3 words like
Yeah.
the same
Yeah.
language here and one object.
3 or 4
So I
words.
will say, first one is cat. Second one is call.
Okay.
Third one is dog.
Mm-hmm.
And the fourth one is cot.
Okay. So all of you have listened to Yangila, right? Okay. Now who is going to tell which one doesn't belong to the group?
Dog.
Okay. So you all are very smart, right? So this is how you, yeah, dog. Why dog doesn't belong to the group?
Because
First
ma'am, rest of
phoneme
the
is
words,
different.
their sound starts with
Yeah.
the,
The sound
except
starts,
dog.
yeah, with the. Okay, rest of all has the sound k, right? So right now, the way I'm just doing this is assuming you as my children, because this is how you have to do with your children. Okay. Okay, so phoneme categorization is clear, I think. Phoneme blending. Okay. So listening to a sequence of separately spoken phonemes and then combining the phonemes to form word. Okay, so in blending, what happens? We don't listen to the word as a whole, but the phonemes in a separate way, right? And then what the children need to do is they need to blend the phonemes to make a word. Okay, then they will write the word, read the word. Okay, a sort of, you can say, steps are to be followed, and teacher has to help your children do that. Okay, so for example, okay, right now you can see that, but if this is done orally, okay, what word is so this is how you can ask your children. Okay, what word is, then what you have to do is you have to, you can say the sound of this. Okay, so because there are 3 phonemes here, isn't it? Separately, and then make your children blend this to form one word. Okay, so what word is this? This is, then the children will say is fan, right? We can do this with other you can say phonemes as well. So right now we have you can say we heard a lot of you can say barking from the dog here. So we can in a way say d o g. What word is d o g? What will the children say? They will repeat the phoneme and then blend it to form the word, and they will say d o g is dog. Okay, and then since right now whatever I'm just telling you, assuming that the children has been taught the alphabets, the 26th letter of the alphabet with the sounds. Okay, without this it would be very difficult for children to take part in the activities, isn't it? When they don't know the letter, when they don't know the sound of the specific letter. Okay, so when you say d o g, dog, here g is one sound. Otherwise, the letter G has two sounds, g and j.